Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about coding and decoding. So in previous classes, we discussed about the mathematical operations and also uh, in dictionary order. So today we are going to discuss about coding and decoding. So why coding and decoding? In these two topics are there, letter coding and number coding. So in this class we are discussing about letter coding, and next class we will discuss about number coding. So before going to coding and decoding class, you should know how to write the letters and their numbers. So all know alphabets, but in coding and decoding, we will write like this. So up to A to M, we should write in first line, and next letter N. So we should start from here. So this is the order to write letters in coding and decoding. So in reasoning, we will write numbers like this. A to M in first line, and N we should start from the down of the M, N to Z. So like this, we should write coding and letters in the coding and decoding. So how to write numbers? So here A means 1, B means 2, 3 means C, 4, 5, 6. So like this table is very important for coding and decoding. All should know how to write this table and what is the code for the each letter. So in this, you have addition, subtraction, and opposite letters. Addition means nothing. For A, we will do +1 means what will come? B. So for A +1 means B. For A +2 means C. For A +3 means D. So B, C, D. +3 means D. So like this we should go. For A, what is the before letter? So after letters and before letters, you know that in numbers there is after number and before number. So like this only in letters also there is there. So for A, after letter is B. For F, after letter is G, and before letter is E. For A, before letter also there. What? For A, before letter is Z. After letter is B. For Z also, before letter is Y. After letter is what? A. So in circular, we should count the letters. For M, before letter is L. After letter is M. So here we will confuse. For U, before letter means not B. Before letter means T. Because like this we are writing. So before for U, before letter is T. After letter is V. So opposite. What is opposite letters? So opposite letter means for A opposite Z, for B Y, for M opposite letter is N, for N opposite letter is M, for L opposite letter is O, for O opposite letter is L. So these are the opposite letters. B opposite to Y, C opposite to X, D W, E V, F U, G T, H S, I R, J Q, K P, L O M N. So these are the opposite letters. So this coding and decoding use it to crack the codes. So for suppose uh, we want to say some important matter for our friend, but nobody should know that thing. So by using this coding and decoding, you can easily crack. You can easily send the information to other person. And also, if that person knows about this coding, easily he or she can understand that code. So this is very easy topic and important topic in reasoning. Let us do some examples. So sit. So for sit there is a code TJU. Next, we should find the code for road. They gave SIT's code is TJU. We should find the code for road. How we will find? So before finding the answer, first you should find the code. Which code? By which code they gave the code? So S and T. What is the relation between S and T? +1. So relation between S and T is +1. So +1. Next, I and J. Relation between I and J also +1. Relation between T and U also +1. So they gave, which code they gave? +1, +1, +1. So this code you should apply in the question. So here also we should do +1, +1, +1, +1. For R we should do +1. +1 means S, O, P, A, B, D. So this is the code. SPB is the code. So for SIT, they gave code as TJU. We should find the code for road. According to the theme +1, +1, +1, the answer is SPBE. This is the addition model. So here we did +1. You can do means they may give +2, +3, +4, +5. So like this they may give. So addition means not only +1, there is +2, there is +3, there is +4, and also alternate also. For suppose SIT they gave. Okay. So for road we should find the code. Now first you should find the code. Which code they gave? ST means +1. IK. So IK means +2. So JK +2 they did. So +2. TU. What is the relation between T and U? +1. So here the code is +1, +2, +1. So we should apply the same code to the question. +1, +2, +1, +2. So here R+1 S, O+2 Q, A+1 B, D+2 F. So now the answer is SQBF. See, in addition model, there is same, they will do same number addition or alternate numbers also addition. In some cases, they may give here +1, +2, +3. So consecutive numbers additions they may give. So addition means they may give same number addition or alternate numbers or consecutive numbers or even numbers, odd numbers also they may give. So this is the addition model. Now let us do subtraction. Think. For think, they gave code as so they gave code as SGHMJ. So now we should find the code for red. See, what is the relation between T and S? T to S. So T to S means they did S to T means +1. But T to S means what? -1. Okay. Next H to G. H to G means -1. Next I to H. I to H also -1. N to M. N to M also -1. Next K to Z. K to J also -1. So they gave code as -1. So they may give -2, -3, -4 or same as plus. Consecutive numbers also they may give -1, -2, -3, -4 or -1, -2, -1, -2. They may give like this also. So let us find the code for red. -1, -1, -1. R's before letter what? Q. Next is before letter D. D is before letter C. So the code for red is Q, D and C is the code for red. So this is subtraction model. Next, Opposite model also there. Pretty. They gave code as K I V G G B. So they gave code as like this. So pretty. We should find the code for stand. So pretty. P and K. What is the relation between P and K? So P and K. P is opposite to K and K is opposite to P. R and I. I is opposite to R. R is opposite to I. E and V. E is opposite to V. V is opposite to E. T. So T is opposite to G. G is opposite to T. Y. So here Y is opposite to B. B is opposite to Y. So they gave opposite letters. So here for stand also we should see the opposite letters. For S, what is opposite letter? H. For T, the opposite letter is G. For A, opposite letter is Z. For N, opposite letter is M. For D, opposite letter is W. So this is the code. HGZMW is the code for stand. So like this, we should identify the first. We should identify the theme and we should answer. So all should compulsorily know this table. So and another model, reverse model is there. Let us do that example. Rainbow. They gave code as WOBNIAR. We should find the code for train. So here rainbow is given. For that code is WOBNIAR. So in reverse RAINBOW. So complete full word also they gave in reverse. So here for strain also we should reverse the word. NIARTS is the code for strain. So in reverse model also they may give first three letters. So for rainbow also we can write as, they may give as IARNWOB. Here how did we written? First three letters reverse IAR. Last three letters reverse WOB. Middle letter will remain same. So they may give like this also. So they may give full word reverse or like this half word reverse. So in some cases, they may give first four letters reverse and last three letters remains same. So this is the model of reverse. So in this coding, letter coding, we discussed about addition, subtraction, opposite letters, and also reverse models. So these are the main models in coding and decoding. So in next class, we will discuss about the number coding. So in this letter coding, they may give in addition +1, +2, +3 or consecutive numbers +1, +2, +3 or even numbers +2, +4, +6 or odd numbers +3, +5. So in addition, there are so many models. In subtraction also, they have a number of models, and in reverse, in opposite letters or in reverse, they also have many models. So you should practice many questions to crack the sums easily. So coding and decoding topic is very easy topic and also very important topic. So you should know, before doing the coding and decoding topic, you should know how to write this table, and this opposite letter also you should know. So keep in mind this table before doing coding and decoding topic. So that's all for today. So in next class we will discuss about the number coding and symbol coding. Thank you.